Are your Qt framework application failing because of the qt5svg DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To kick off the qt5svg guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the qt5svg, the qt5svg Rendering Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of vector graphics, facilitating the resolution-independent visual manifest for application data links. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error usually indicates that the Qt framework directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Qt framework to replace specific required files such as qt5svg.dll. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including qt5svg. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing qt5svg.dll error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for qt5svg. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped qt5svg workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.